My whole entire family is involved in this process
Your boat's
today.
coming apart.
Oh, my baking soda's leaving. Oh gosh.
Give me the deal.
Oh, it's already going. You can see the bubbles. You gotta do it on the other side. That's why the pencils are like that. Oh, you gotta.
Ah!
Oh my god.
You got me. You got everybody.
Where did it go?
Well,
It was supposed to go
that
up.
was my
Wow.
poorly timed baking soda rocket with
That was a
vinegar
that was
as
mostly
my.
fail. That could have worked though.
Okay,
That
with
could've
vinegar
worked.
and baking soda mixed together, and you can see
It's so
the
hot.
aftermath of my situation here. For this experiment, I used baking soda, white distilled vinegar, a 2-liter bottle, and a cork secured by paper towels to ensure that the opening was closed and that the vinegar and baking soda wouldn't just come out. I poured the vinegar into the bottle, put my baking soda into like a paper towel and kind of wrapped it around, placed the baking soda into the bottle, shook it, and then set it down. As you can see by the video, well, my brothers were involved, so it was more chaotic than typical. And it didn't go super smoothly and ended up kind of shooting sideways, but nevertheless, I did see the reaction. So why the reaction occurs is because baking soda is a basic compound, sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar is an acidic compound or an acidic solution containing acetic acid. So there's 2 reactions that occur in the experiment, like a double kind of, sorry, my dog just came behind me, a double stepped reaction. I can't think of the word I want to use. Anyway, so the first reaction that occurs in this experiment is an acid-base reaction in which the hydrogen ions of the vinegar solution react with the bicarbonate ions in the baking soda, which results in carbonic acid and then sodium acetate. The first reaction, the acid-base reaction, is a double displacement reaction. The second reaction is a decomposition reaction in which the carbonic acid begins to decompose into water, and then it releases carbon dioxide gas. That gas rises to the top and creates the bubbles that are like so evidentiary of a vinegar and baking soda reaction. Those bubbles are, so there's like 5 signs that tell of a chemical change occurring, and those bubbles are one of those telltale signs that a chemical change has occurred. So sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid react to form carbon dioxide, water, and sodium acetate. So to the strength of the compound or the solutions involved, sodium bicarbonate is a weaker base with a pH of around like 8.3. Acetic acid is a weaker acid with a pKa value of 4.76. And then a solution of 1 molarity of acetic acid has a pH of around 2.3. The distilled white vinegar that was used in the experiment typically has a pH of around 2.4, so pretty much the same. And when mixing a weak base and a weak acid, the equivalence point will be basic if the base is stronger, and acidic if the acid is stronger. However, if they're both of equal strength, then the equivalence pH will be neutral. So this experiment is a neutralization reaction, and the sodium bicarbonate or the baking soda is neutralized by the solution of the acetic acid or the vinegar. Thank you.